281 billion emails are sent every single day. The average office worker sends 121 emails every day and receives 40 emails every day. Today, I'm going to show you a very cool way that you can take your email signature and using the power of the signature beyond just a polite ending to an email. Let's do this. Hey, welcome to another Talking Tech with a Techie guy. My name's Liron Segev, where I make technology simple. And if you're into how-tos, tips and tricks, gadgets and apps, consider hitting that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So if we do send and receive this many emails, let's do more than simply end every one of our emails with regards, here's my telephone number. So I use a service from a company called NEWOLDSTAMP, which is a really cool name, by the way, and some really cool analytics and tips and tricks. So let me show you what it's all about. So this is the dashboard, and the first thing you'll see is your ability to set up a default signature. Now that's pretty cool. If you've got a big firm with lots of users, you can automatically have a default signature. Will have your company logo, your website, things that are standard throughout the firm. Now you can of course label your various departments, and you can add multiple departments as well. So you can have a signature for accounting versus, I don't know, information, for example. Right, for the users, they simply go in, add a user, and add a signature. On the left side, you'll be able to see a whole bunch of information that goes into the signature, and on the right side is a whole bunch of templates. Select the template that makes you look pretty cool, and of course there's lots and lots and lots and lots of different templates to choose from. Choose one that suits your organization. Once you have that, on the left side, you start filling in your normal details, phone number, address, telephone, blah, blah, blah. And of course, you can add your picture, your logo, something to really personalize it. Set it in place, and you're cool to go. Now, go over to the right-hand side and choose your signature apps. And essentially what they are little banners that will take people to your social media platform. So for example, YouTube, I select the banner that I want, I put in the URL where people are going to land up once they click on it. For example, my YouTube channel, which you happen to be on right now, click on add, and there it is. I can do it for Pinterest, I can do it for Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all the social media that I want to promote right here. So I know what you're thinking, can this get any cooler? And the answer is yes. On the right side, you can now add banners. Now these could be promotional banners, like big sales, they could be vacation banners, they could be holiday banners like Black Fridays and Halloween, etc. I can also add the ability to have some actions, like for example, booking a meeting with me. Add that banner, I can add my Calendly link in there and making it dead simple for anybody who sees my signature to set up a meeting with me. Now that the signature is all beautifully laid out, you're going to select the signature and choose your email client. That's how we're going to install it. I'm going to choose Outlook in my case, choose copy and proceed. I can watch a little video clip telling me how to add a signature if you don't know how to do it. And here is the final result. Looks pretty cool. And as you can see, each one of these elements has its own unique URL. Why is that important? Well, it's important for the last bit of this product, which is the tracking. Yes, not only can you have your cool looking signature, but you can track each individual link within that signature. So go to your dashboard, go to your analytics, choose the various elements within your signature, logo, website, apps, blog post, etc. And once you select that, it will give you a nice, beautiful looking graph, which means you can track it. Now remember, each one of your emails is an opportunity to talk to your clients, promote your business, promote your events, tell them what's going on, and you can track it so you can see what's working and what isn't, what is bringing you clients, what is bringing you views, and what isn't, and simply optimize continuously. Really cool, NEWOLDSTAMP, go check it out, link will be in the description below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, really helps the channel a lot. Check out some of these other cool videos and consider subscribing if this is the kind of content you're into. And I'll see you guys on the next episode, because that's Tech Simple. Cheers for now.